Hi, I'm Dave. Are you confused about all this talk about Bitcoin? Do you shy away when someone mentions it, thinking that it's just a scam? Well, I've got a surprise for you. Bitcoin is definitely not a scam. In fact, in December 2020, it passed the $20,000 mark, and is bound to go much higher. Now there's a new ebook out called Bitcoin Breakout, and it clears up a lot of the confusion about Bitcoin and how to profit with it. You'll learn about cryptocurrency, a Bitcoin wallet, Bitcoin explained easily, what's hot, and what the future holds for Bitcoin. You'll learn about blockchains, cryptocurrency trading, how to avoid Bitcoin scams, and many other subjects in this informative ebook. And now, here's the best part. In this amazing ebook, there is mentioned a little-known cryptocurrency that has always gone up, but, month after month, has never come down. This is finally revealed and it will astonish you once you know about it. By investing in this, you'll have the right knowledge in order to profit. So, for all these reasons, doesn't it make sense to purchase this ebook and start your journey in learning about Bitcoin? With government debt rising, your taxes are sure to rise also, along with the cost of other living expenses. So now is an excellent time to invest in your own knowledge with this priceless information. Just click the link below and thanks for watching. Oh, I almost forgot, when you purchase this ebook, you'll also receive information about an honest, paying crypto site, so you may be interested in that also. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.